welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Netra Dev here, and in today's video I'm going to share this amazing news with you guys. This news is especially for the students who are looking forward to study here in Lithuania, especially at Vilnius University. I have actually signed an agreement with the Faculty of Economics and Business Administration of Vilnius University. The faculty is in Solitika in Vilnius, and I will be responsible to bring in students from India and other non-EU countries for this particular faculty. So this is a huge success for me, guys, and I'm really happy to share this news with you. And one more good news is the students who apply to this particular faculty with my help will get 50% of application fee waived. By that I mean your application fee is 100 euros, but if you apply via my help, your application fee would be just 50 euros. Yes, it's only 50 euros. And unfortunately, Vilnius University currently doesn't have this online payment facility, so you will still have to do the bank transfer to them. But it's just 50 euros, guys. It's just 50 euros. So please do apply to the Faculty of Business and Economics, guys. They have amazing programs. They have highly qualified professors. And the good news is I am a student of that faculty as well. So it's basically my own faculty. So I'm super proud already of this university, and I highly recommend for you guys to check this faculty for all your business and economic related study programs. So my dear future Vilnius University students, so I would like to give you a short description of how this overall process is going to look like. So first, the students would opt for my paid services, and then they will get their academic documents, their letter of recommendation, their SOP, that's the statement of purpose, all these documents assessed by me. So once I check all your documents and if I give you a thumbs up, then you will apply to your desired program from this particular faculty. It could be bachelor's, master's or PhD. If you want my help, I can also help you in this particular stage. And then during this stage, I will give you a secret code. So it's gonna be a secret code, and that code will be entered in your application form itself. So you will enter this detail, and this is a personal code between me and the university. So this is not gonna be out in open, but yeah, I will give it to students who opt for my service, and they will get this code, and you will enter it in the Vilnius University Dream portal, the Dream application portal. And then I will have the list of all the students who had opted for my help, and I will cross-verify it with the admission team of Vilnius University as well. So this 50% of tuition fee program is strictly only available for the Faculty of Economics and Business Administration, guys. So let me make this very clear. This does not apply to any other faculty in Vilnius University. There are plenty of faculties here in Vilnius University, but the one I am talking about is the Faculty of Business and Economics, so evaf.vu.lt is their website. You can go there, check the programs. Yes. And one more thing, guys, so if you want to avail this 50% of application fee waiver, you will have to first submit all the documents to me. I will go through everything. I will have to also check if your background is okay, if your academics are okay for this particular program, if you don't have any criminal records, because I will be referring you. So I will have to go through all of these data, all of these details. You will provide me the required documents. We will discuss it in our personal chat or via some messenger or Instagram or Twitter. So we will discuss about further things. But yeah, the first step is you will submit all your documents to the email address mentioned below. So I have officially created a website called East to West Educations. So you can submit all your documents there in that website. I have put the link of the website and the email address in the description below. So I will help you with the application and everything. And yeah, once you get your application done, I will also assist you with the further visa related processes. I will also help you with some job referrals once you are here, because now I know a lot of people here in Lithuania who happen to be HR and recruiters, and I have links with many companies here, so I can also help you with some job search. So yes, that is all the good news is about. So please do utilize this opportunity, and I hope and I wish you good luck to all the students who are watching this video. I hope I can help you guys. So yeah, I will show you where exactly to enter this information in the next part of the video. This is the EVAF website, guys. I'm clicking on admission and bachelor's. Let's say I'm choosing one of the programs in this bachelor studies, so I'm preferring accounting and audit, and then clicking on apply now. Now it takes me to a different portal where I can see information about the undergraduate program and the faculty it is offered in. So you can just scroll up and down in this website and see the number of programs available. But in my case, I'm going to stick on to this accounting and audit option. So I'm clicking on it, and then it takes me to another web page where I will click on apply now. And then this is my application portal, and here these are the options I must fill in. So once I fill in all the options, I'm going to click on other, and you have a place called information source. So that is where you will be entering the code which I will provide, and then finally click on submit. So recently I met a couple of students in Lithuania who actually saw my YouTube channel, communicated with me throughout their application process, throughout their admission process, throughout their visa process. And when I met them, they were like, "Hello Didi, it is so nice that you were there for us when we were stuck with what to do and not knowing what to do, not knowing how to do certain things." So it was super nice to hear such beautiful feedback and support from all of them, and I'm really thankful and really glad that I could help you guys. And thank you so much for all your beautiful words. It keeps me motivated, it keeps uplifting me in some way, just encourages me to help you guys more and more. So I hope I could be of a good help to all the future students who are watching this YouTube channel right now. And yeah, let's get your studies started by getting you all admitted in Vilnius University.